Okay, one of the first things that you're going to need to do is map out your content, whether you're making the site yourself or someone else is going to be making the site for you. They're going to need the content and you're going to have to provide that. So, um, what I like to use is something called a mind map, and this one is called mindmaster.com. I'll leave a link to it. Um, and basically, it just allows me to map out the different pages and what's going to be needed on those pages. So, for example, on this About page with the team, there's going to be a bio and a headshot for Mary. And I can check these off, I can make notes. This is just one way of doing it. You can just do this in a Word doc. The point is, you want to be able to gather all of your content. Um, Also, remember that Squarespace is a really image heavy, platform. So the better images you have, the more higher quality images you have that are relevant to your business, or whatever you're trying to put out, the better. There are stock images which are really good as well, but it's better to have your own. And so, with the right combination of high quality images and your own content, you've got what you need to now start editing a template. Now, in the case that you don't have any content and you don't have the time to come up with it, you might want to hire a copywriter, someone who is good with words and understands your market, understands the people who you're trying to reach, and is able to speak that language, is able to speak their language. That's the most important thing. It's easy to make the mistake of thinking because this is a website, somehow there's not going to be a human on the other side reading it, or more than likely scanning through it. So you want to keep that in mind. And then as you map out your content as well, you want to keep it simple, you want to keep it clear, and think about how someone is going to be able to navigate and move through these pages. So keep a strong, clear focus and intent behind your entire site. And then for each page, there should be a very strong intention for why it exists, the message that you're trying to communicate, and the action that you want someone to take next.